Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Mike Witcher. This is your Facebook weather update, and enjoy the rest of your day. It looks like we're in for just a few mid-level clouds that kind of stream their way on through the area. That really should be just about it as the storm system begins to take shape across the plain states and heads our direction. So let's get to work and see how our day shapes up specifically. We should see mostly sunny skies here by the lunch hour, and then partly cloudy skies as we get into the afternoon hours. Temperatures warming nicely and still above average. Should be about 60 degrees today. By the evening, commute cooling down to about 58 with more afternoon clouds, and then continuing that trend to see those clouds increase across the area through the evening hours as we cool down from 54 at 7 o'clock tonight down to about 50 degrees, partly cloudy by 10 o'clock tonight. Those clouds will kind of help to keep those temperatures a little bit mild tomorrow morning. But again, in the meantime, take it to 4 o'clock, we'll see those mid-level clouds streaming on through. Temperatures should be in the upper 50s to right around 60 degrees for all of us across the area. And continuing that future cast overnight tonight, you'll notice that the clouds will begin to increase across the area. There's a slight chance for a little bit of stray shower activity by sunrise, but I'm not expecting a whole lot of activity. Most of the moisture, most of the rain and showers and storms will stay far off to our north and northwest by sunrise tomorrow, and low temperatures should be pretty mild ahead of this frontal boundary. We're looking for lows in the 40s and low 50s. Here's the deal, though. That warm front moves its way northward. That's why most of the rain will kind of stay off to our north for the better part of our Thursday, although a couple of hit-and-miss showers possible. 6 o'clock in the evening commute on Thursday looks like we'll be dry, but then we're going to be tracking a strong cold front heading our direction. We'll stop the clock at 4 o'clock in the morning there. Notice that line coming out of Middle Tennessee. That's going to be moving its way along the plateau by about 3 o'clock Central Time, 4 o'clock Eastern Time, and then make its way here into the Central Valley just in time for that morning rush hour. And so things could get interesting come Friday morning around the area with torrential downpours and the possibility of some strong to damaging winds, as we have a very hefty winds up at about 5,000 feet in the atmosphere. If these storms come through, that could translate that wind to the surface, and so we could get some very gusty winds, possibly some damaging winds. So some of these storms could become strong here Friday morning. Friday afternoon, it looks like things clear up, but we will stay on the cooler side as those northwesterly winds take shape and filter in some of that cooler air. So here's that forecast. We will continue to see the possibility of about a half an inch to an inch of rain for many folks across the area. So very heavy rainfall expected as this frontal boundary moves its way on through. Again, that's Thursday night into Friday morning. So I'm going to go about 60 degrees, partly cloudy skies today. We'll see some hit-and-miss sunshine, beautiful cobalt blue skies above those mid-level clouds. Tonight, cloudy skies beginning to work their way back into the area. We'll cool down to about 42. I think it's going to be awfully breezy tomorrow. We're at 63 degrees. I went with a morning low Friday morning at 60. As that front moves through, it should really help to warm us up. But then cooling temperatures Friday afternoon. That's why I've got an afternoon temperature of only 52 come Friday. Breezy northwesterly winds once that front passes by Friday morning. Should see some sunshine Friday afternoon. Gorgeous weather by Saturday. We're at 60 degrees with some very moist conditions around the area. Probably seeing some fog early Saturday morning. And then another frontal boundary heads our direction come Sunday and Monday. Again, it looks like Monday morning could be the bullseye for seeing some strong storms and torrential downpours as we head into the beginning of next week. Either way you look at it, pretty much above average for the next 5 to 7 days. Normal average temperature is about 54. Hey, it's Severe Weather Awareness Week. Thanks for joining us for all the updated information. Get your kids involved. Today we are talking about tornado awareness. And a tornado is a violently rotating column of air which actually comes out of the clouds and makes contact with the ground. It's a funnel cloud, and it doesn't become a tornado until it actually hits the ground, which you can start to see that debris kind of being picked up at the surface. Winds can be anywhere from 65 to over 200 miles per hour with a tornado, so dangerous conditions, not to mention a lot of cloud-to-ground lightning with tornadic thunderstorms as well. Now, a tornado watch is issued when the National Weather Service says, okay, things are kind of coming together, when we could possibly see some tornadoes being spun up by some of these thunderstorms rolling on through the area. They will issue a tornado warning when either A, Doppler radar sees rotation in a thunderstorm, and or a storm spotter actually picks up on the possible tornado or sees the tornado on the ground. That's when the tornado warning will be taking place. Now, if a tornado warning takes place, you need to take shelter immediately. I'm talking about a basement, a bathroom, a closet, or a sturdy building. If you live in a mobile home, you'll definitely want to get to a different, more sturdy building and not stay in your mobile home. Always get out of your cars and go to a better building. Grab your emergency kit. We're talking flashlights, radios, blankets, pillows, non-perishable food, and water. Always a good thing to have this emergency kit ready in a closet so you can just grab it and go. On average, you have about 10 to 15 minutes before a tornado hits your area if your area is under a tornado warning and there's actually a tornado on the ground. So always stay tuned to the TV, radio, and always on our website, WBIR.com, as we will always be streaming live during a tornado event. So definitely good things to kind of talk with your family and your kids. Now, if you want to become a storm spotter, you can join the Skywarn Storm Spotter program through the National Weather Service. There is an event coming up this Thursday in Hamblen County, Morristown area at the Public Library, again starting at 7 o'clock this Thursday. There will be many more counties involved in this. I will pass this information along to you over the next several weeks. Again, Severe Weather Awareness Week, a good idea to get your family involved. Kind of have a plan and know where you can go in your house. Make sure your kids know exactly where to go when severe weather hits the area. That's your Facebook weather update. We will keep you up to date on more weather information as storms head our way. Again, join us tomorrow. Tomorrow we are talking about severe thunderstorm awareness. Have a great day.